and who tortured life imprisonment in Ethiopian prison.
We want to remember Oromo students and life.
Ethiopian government, stop killing Oromo students. Stop killing Oromo farmers. Stop evicting Oromo farmers from their ancestral land. Ethiopian government, stop killing innocent civilians in Ethiopia. Canada, help stop killing Oromo students in the hands of Ethiopian military forces. Canada, help stop killings Oromo students in Ethiopia. Canada and Canadians, help stop eviction of Oromo farmers from their lands in Ethiopia. Justice. We march for freedom. We march for democracy. Ethiopian government. Stop killing Oromo students. Ethiopian government. Stop atrocities against Oromo civilians. Ethiopian government. We demand democracy. Ethiopian government. We demand justice. Ethiopian government. We demand freedom. Canada. Help to stop. Killings of Oromo students. Eviction of Oromo students. Eviction of Oromo farmers. Pigminan Kenya. Sagatapon Kenya. Urayun Kenya. Oromian Kenya. Lafa Kenya hingurguru. Haka Kenya falmina. Barattoota Kenya. Biyya dhaabbanna. Qotee bulaa Kenya. Biyya dhaabbanna. Ilmi ilmaan Oromoo. Bilaashittiin hafu. Stop bloodshed. Ethiopian government. Stop killing. Ethiopian government. Stop eviction of Oromo farmers from their ancestral land. Ethiopian government. Stop land grabbing. Ethiopian government. Stop land grabbing. Ethiopian government. Stop this eviction of indigenous people. Justice. We march for peace. We march for freedom. Canada. We demand justice from the Ethiopian government. Canada. Help us stop. Killings of Oromo students. Canada. Help us stop. Kenya.